Centertaining. This is a 5-piece centertaining set, and you're going to get basically one large piece and then 4 sweet little pieces that come with it. This will ship out October 11th, so you're not going to get this ASAP. It will come out November or October 11th, but the whole thing is it's very holiday oriented, so you don't really need it right now either. Your choice is the train or the sleigh. And with the sleigh, which I just think is dynamite, look at this with the garland and the bows and all, but in the sleigh comes these 4 little packages, these little presents that match the merry and bright. So that's what comes with the sleigh. And of course the sleigh, you could easily put those Landy's Candies stuffed pretzels that we have as our today's special value or whatever. This is the train, and this is such a cute idea, and it also goes back to the winter whimsy, because you can see the little reindeer there, and that comes with 4 little ceramic trees that you can use in so many different ways. The price, $33.60, that's $6 less than our regular QVC price, because remember, we're celebrating the Joy of Christmas sale, so you're getting sale prices on all of these things. Tell me your ideas on this one, Tara, and how and why you put this together.
Well, first and foremost, it's the first sleigh that we've ever shared, which is, of course, something that was, dear to my heart. Again, all individually hand painted. You have that beautiful stoneware detail. So this isn't plastic, this isn't resin, this is actually hand painted stoneware. So yes, this piece can go in the oven, but truly it's about the decoration. You can see all of the scroll work down at the bottom. That's all embossed. What does that mean? It means that it's 3-dimensional and textured. You have the bows that are nice and beautiful, hand painted as well. And then of course the greenery with even the little light bulbs, of course, drawn on there or painted on there as well. The inside, of course, has that solid detail color. So you can use this in a powder room. You can use it with flameless candles. You can put various things in there. We, of course, included the 4 packages that are ornaments, but they're also place card holders. So now when you're setting that beautiful table, those actually become your place card holders. So if you pick up more than one, you'd have 2 sleighs, you'd have 8 place card holders or 8 ornaments. Then the train, of course, matches back to the train app set that we were showing you. So this has the adorable trees that come in the back. The train I do in honor of my dad, of course, but I think so many of us love to collect trains. Wembley's on the one side, of course, flip them around, and then you have our snowman on the other side, the peppermint wheels. Mary Beth, all of these pieces are individually hand painted, which is fantastic. They're truly works of art.
They are works of art. I'm telling you what, they're heavy. I was holding them with one hand and I was like, you know what, I got to get a second hand in there. But the best part is, like you were saying, place card holders, or I love to serve buffet style. And so to be able to put a little card in each of those and write what it is, so people don't have to keep saying, what's in this one? What's in this dish? So those are nice to have for that. Okay, so you have the choice of the train or the sleigh, and so beautifully done. I want to show you some different things. Obviously in the sleigh, right here, we put those snowball cookies, which are some of my favorites too. So that was a great idea. Here in the train, we put, in fact, I need to look and see. Oh yeah, prosciutto stuffed peppers. Woohoo!
Yes, please.
Yummy,
I'll
yummy.
have some of those.
Yeah, look at that. So what a great way to just display that. Or now you can see this train with that 3-piece train if you wanted to get both sets to go together, right?
And Mary Beth, the ornaments that are in that sleigh are your merry and bright. So if you didn't pick up on that, that'll also mix back to all the other pieces that you're collecting. There's that beautiful cake plate. See how all of the pieces work together? The color palettes are similar. So depending on your style and how you like to decorate or what you gravitate towards, there is something for everybody. My entire mantle is decorated with all of the patterns, all of the detail, and it just adds so much warmth and charm when you walk into a room. And that's what Temp-tations is all about. about Temptations Holiday. We're using our iconic patterns that you've been collecting for years and years, introducing new ones as well, and giving you a way to not only decorate your dining room table, but all around the home as well.
That's why I keep saying, go back to QVC.com and or just, you know, write down the item numbers of all these different things, because then you start to say, okay, you know what, I like to serve this and I like to serve that, and people expect me to serve this and people expect me to serve that, and you start to think, okay, oh, I need that train set and this other train or whatever it might be. Don't forget now, all of these are ceramic. They are hand painted. So as you look at these pieces, yes, they can go in the oven. Yes, they are dishwasher safe, but man, when you've got some really beautiful pieces like this, I would just hand wash it and enjoy it. But hang those ornaments on the tree if you want to. You can certainly do that. All right, in the meantime, we're going off to our next item, which is the shatterproof wreath.